Do you want your handwriting to look clean, beautiful, and easy to read? Today, I'm sharing 3 simple and powerful steps that can completely transform your handwriting in just a few days. And yes, these techniques are scientifically proven to improve your writing speed, control, and neatness. So, let us start. Warm up exercises. Before improving our handwriting, we need to warm up our hands and fingers. And you might be thinking, what are warm up exercises? They are simple movements that make your finger flexible and give you better control over your pen. Here's what you can do: rotate your wrist in circle. Stretch your finger wide and then relax them. Hold your pen and make small round shapes in the air. Studies shows that these warm-up techniques improve muscle memory and pen control, which directly leads to better handwriting. Just 1 to 2 minutes daily can make your writing much smoother. Identify and fix mistakes. Most students make the same mistakes without even realizing it. क्या आप अपनी राइटिंग में ये गलती करते हैं? Let us check. Mistake 1: writing letters too close together. Mistake 2: uneven letter sizes. Mistake 3: wrong pen grip. Take a piece of paper and write 2 lines. Then compare them carefully. If you find any of these mistakes, do not worry. Fixing them will already improve your handwriting a lot. And yes, comment below and tell me which mistake are you making, or are you making all of them? Improve writing speed. Good handwriting is not just about neatness. Speed matters too. Here are 2 simple techniques to write faster while keep your writing neat. First, try air writing. Move your pen above the paper and practice writing letters in the air. Second, move your hand, not your wrist. Many students only move their wrist, which slows them down. Instead, move your entire hand smoothly across the page. It really helps. Research shows that these techniques train your brain and muscle to work together, helping you write faster and neater at the same time. If you follow these 3 steps daily, your handwriting will improve within a day. And remember, these are tested, science-backed techniques that actually work. Do not forget to comment your biggest handwriting problem. Maybe I will make a video on it next. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.